Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to view only unread messages on iPhone. Okay, so when you are using an iPhone device and you want to view only the unread messages, so you will have to follow this. But before, take note of this. You will only be able to use this feature once you have updated your iPhone to iOS 16. Make sure that you have turned on eh, the filter unknown senders before completing the following steps. Now, to begin, you'll have to open your messages and then tap filter. In the top left hand corner, if you don't see filters, you probably do not have filter unknown senders toggled on. Make sure that feature is enabled before continuing. Take note of that. Now, tap unread messages. Okay, you'll be able to see these options. And from here, you will now see all of your unread messages. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.